In this video, you'll learn how to create test cases in Testiny, covering templates, rich text editing, and custom fields. Click Create and start with a clear, descriptive title. Next, choose a template. Text gives you a free form structure. Steps gives you a structured, step-by-step format. We'll use that one. The precondition defines what must be true before execution. Then define your test steps and expected results, one per step. This ensures clarity and consistency across your team. All text fields support rich text editing. Format text, add lists, tables, links, or paste screenshots directly. With custom fields, you can define additional test case fields, such as a priority or automation status. Click Create. The test case is added to your folder. Open it to refine details, upload attachments, or link requirements. Thanks for watching.